Good morning, traders, and a happy new year. How are you today? This is the first trading session of 2019. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Kyriakos Harilaou from the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy, guys, and one of your mentors. So I see some new people here. Good morning, David. Francis, good morning. Happy New Year. Hello, George. How are you? Kalimera. Are you okay? Hello, Mary. Good morning, Mary. And a happy new year. Hello, Paul. Rachel, happy new year. And Williams, newcomer for me. Good morning, guys. And I hope you enjoyed today's live trading session. Also, Elif is with us, our second mentor. So on behalf of Trademy team, myself, Kyriakos, Elif, and all your account managers and the Trademy team, we are wishing you to have a nice and, of course, profitable year ahead, guys. So since we have newcomers, I will quickly brief the two methodologies. Good morning. Thank you, Mary. So guys, I will start the session since we have newcomers by briefing up how I'm trading. Now, for those of you who are with us for a few weeks or a few months, they already know that I'm using two systems. The first system is a mathematical hedge trading system, and the second system is the intraday system. So for briefing purposes, for the hedging system, I'm using the letters of HS, and for the intraday system, I'm using the letters IS. So guys, if you see an HS in front of the trade, it means that I'm using the hedging system. And if you see an IS, it means that I'm using the intraday system. Now, what's the main difference between these two systems? On four forex pairs, euro dollar and the pounds, pound dollar, pound yen, pound Aussie, I'm using the hedging system. That means I'm initiating a position with a particular position size. And if the market goes against me by an X amount of pips, I'm reversing the position with a bigger position size. So those of you who would like to follow the hedging system, you need to request from your account managers to get this Excel spreadsheet. This Excel spreadsheet calculates based on your account value what's the next position size reversal. Only position sizes. So if, for example, the first position that you follow with me is you open it with a 0.01 lots, then if I say reverse position, it means that the second position should be a position size of 0.02 lots. If I say again reverse position, it means that is the second reversal and it needs to be 0.04 lots. Okay. If you would like to follow the first position with 0.05, these are the equivalent position sizes. So this Excel spreadsheet is available through your account managers, and you are requested, if you would like to follow the hedging system, to request it from your account managers. I repeat that this position is only useful for the hedging system, and it just calculates the next position reversal size. Now, regarding entry level, stop loss, and the NTPs, you need to access the trading room and watch me doing live. Okay. Now, the intraday system is a much simpler system. I'm just placing a trade, and the position size of the intraday system positions is always, for me, 15 lots. Okay. So for the intraday system are the positions with 15 lots, and for the HS system are the positions of 10 lots. So also, you need to be aware that it's not compulsory to follow me on any trades. Okay, and if you are using the hedging system, it's more wisely to follow me on one pair because of margin requirements of your account instead of following me on all the pairs. So having said that, I will now proceed and start analyzing the charts. So as we can see, we are now monitoring the 1 hour chart of Euro USD. So all I'm interested at is the last movement of the past few days. So basically I'm interested from this part of the chart to the right. I don't care what happened before. So I will start now putting support and resistance levels. Okay. So I will start with support levels. The support levels, I will use a color of light blue for visualization purposes. So I will start. The support levels, as you know by now, are levels which are below the current market price. Since the current market price is at 114.40, I'm looking for support levels below that level. So the first important support level that I'm actually looking at right now is at 114.23. So the first support, the intraday support for euro dollar is found at 114.23. The second support is here. Let me be more accurate, at 113.76. So that's the second major intraday support for euro dollar, and that's it, guys. Now, regarding resistance levels, I will use the resistance levels in another color so that we differentiate between them. I'm using a red color for resistance levels. I see a good resistance level here at 114.84. Nothing else. Okay. Now, as you know, the next step is to use our Fibonacci analysis. So I will take the low of the time frame I'm analyzing up to the highest level of the time frame I'm analyzing, and I'm interested about clustering of points. So as you can see, remember that the support levels should always be discounted to the downside, and the resistance levels, if applicable, should be discounted always to the upside. So what we see here, we see a clustering between, hello Nuno, welcome and happy new year. So what do we see here? We see a clustering of the 50% Fibonacci retracement level with my support level at 114.23. So as I said, the support levels are discounted to the downside. So I will simply discount this line and put it at 114.18. Moreover, and also I will increase the weight of that line so that I know that there is a clustering of points. There is Fibo 50 plus the support level that I have just discounted to the downside. Moreover, I need to mark the 61.8, but since it is alone, I will keep the weight of the line normal, okay? And moreover, I have a clustering at 78.6 of the Fibonacci levels, so I will discount that to the downside. I will put it at 113.75, and I will increase the thickness of the line to double weight so that I know that there is a clustering between these two levels. So that's all about Fibonacci retracement levels. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 supports, 1 resistance for the moment. Okay, so now we need to find out, because I have a failure swing here. Did you see the failure swing, guys? It's A, B, C, and I had a close above B level here. So I'm considering this a bullish pattern. Is a failure swing completed to the upside. So I will use now the Fibonacci extension level of the corrective movement of the upside failure swing to mark 161.8. That's a resistance level now. So I will mark 161.8 at 115.03. 115.03, and also 261.8 at 115.53. 115.53. So that's the other major intraday resistance levels. So to sum up, what are the support and resistance levels? David, a failure swing is a pattern where if it is completed to the upside, it's considered to be bullish. What is a failure swing? All right, basically the market, let me show you very briefly what is a failure swing. Just a moment. A failure swing, there we are. So, a failure swing is the following. You know that the markets do not move in straight lines, right? They are moving like this, okay? Now, a failure swing is when the market makes a bottom at point A. Are you watching this, David? Then makes a top at point B, okay? And then makes a bottom at point C, but C is greater or equal than A. And the failure swing is, we see that C is at a higher price than A. The pattern is completed as soon as we see a close above the B level. Okay, so that's a bullish failure swing. So having said that, this is my A here. Here is my B. So it's A, B. Here is my C. And as you can see, the B level here, the B level, this level, let me put it with a different color. So that's the B level, one. Let me put it on yellow color so that we distinguish that from other failure swings. So you see that the B level was upside penetrated. So this means that the failure swing pattern was completed. Is it clear, David? Very briefly, what is a failure swing? Now, there are several uses and traders use it in different ways. However, very briefly, this is what is a failure swing completed upside. Okay, there are many types of failure swings, David. If you would like to know more, you are more than welcome to come to a one-to-one session, and I will be more than glad to exactly say to you how to use failure swings, how to establish price targets using failure swings, how to place probe stop loss. There are a lot of things we can discuss together about failure swings. Now, so having said that, erase, all right. Let's see what type of position we can initiate on euro dollar. Remember, on euro dollar, I'm using the hedging system. I have 1, 2, 3 support levels and 1, 2, 3 resistance levels. I will switch now to the 15-minute chart. Okay, guys, I will switch to the 15-minute charts. We see that the price has found support on the moving average of 200 periods and started to go up. If I see a bullish parabolics on the 5-minute charts, I will initiate most probably long positions. Let me have a look. I see the bullish parabolics. RSI, however, does not confirm long positions. Let me see if I will enter long or short on this pair for the moment. Okay, guys, I will initiate a long, I will initiate a short position on euro dollar. So I will enter using the hedging system, a short position on euro dollar. There we go. So short position on euro dollar. There we go, guys. We have just entered the short position on euro dollar. Let me inform you about that. So I have just entered a short position using the hedging system. I have just shorted euro USD at 1.14413. Stop loss 1.14983 and TP 1.14063 using the hedging system. Guys, if the market goes against us by a certain amount of pips, I will reverse to long, okay? So for the moment, we have just initiated a short position, as you can see, on Euro USD, guys, Euro USD. That's the first position of the year, short Euro USD for the moment. So let me go to the next one. Let me see dollar CAD. If we have any good setup for long or short positions. I will start analyzing now dollar CAD. Before I do that, let me write down the support levels, the intraday support levels of Euro USD as derived from my intraday analysis. So Euro USD support levels, for those of you who would like to write them down, it's at 114.18. Then it's at 114, and then it's at 113.75. Euro USD resistance levels, intraday resistance levels. The first one is at 114.84. The second one is at 115.03, and the third one is at 115.53. All right, we are done with euro dollar. Let's see what we can do now about dollar CAD. Now, dollar CAD, guys, as you can see, I don't have a clear trend. Forget about it. I'm not touching dollar CAD, so we are leaving dollar CAD for the moment. Dollar yen is dropping nicely, but we need further development for that, so we leave it as it is. Dollar CHF looks very promising. Okay, dollar CHF. Dollar CHF, guys, I'm looking most probably for short positions. Of course, I don't want to rush things. Let's see. So the last movement of dollar CHF was this one, so I will concentrate on this part of the chart. I will start with support and resistance trend analysis. Actually, this is how it's called in technical analysis. It's called trend analysis. The support levels of dollar CHF, we have one support level at 98.04, and that's it, guys. If it breaks, bye-bye. Let's see about resistance levels. Resistance levels are in red color. I have a very nice resistance level here, 98.35. Tested a lot of times, but didn't break to the upside yet. 98.35. And also I have a very good resistance level also at this level here, 98.63. 98.63. Because if something is falling rapidly, David, okay, I don't want to trade it because I'm a swing trader. If it is falling like that, I don't have an entry level, so I need to see a bit of a correction and then short it for a further downside movement. Never go after the market, guys. I have said it many times. Never go after the market. Let the market come to you. Now, a very good trading opportunity, I believe, will arise shortly on dollar CHF. Dollar CHF is traded using the intraday system. Let me see if I have any clustering. Yes, we do have, guys, here at the 50%. 50%, so I will increase the weight of this line to double. I think I will short it. Let me see. I also have 61.8, 98.44, 43. Let's decrease the weight to that. No clustering there. So lots of resistance levels, guys. Lots of resistance levels of dollar CHF. It looks really nice. Now let me check the 15-minute chart. Let me check the 5-minute chart. Looks promising. Okay, guys, I'm shorting dollar CHF, 15 lots using the intraday system. I have just shorted dollar CHF. So short USD CHF at, let me see, I have just shorted USD CHF at 0.98124. There it is. I have just shorted USD CHF using the intraday system. Kindly notice the difference in position size. With 10 lots is the hedging system. With 15 lots is the intraday system, guys. So I have just shorted USD CHF. Now my stop loss, I need to include the pips, the spread. My stop loss is 98, just a moment, 98.43 plus 4 pips spread, 98.47. 98.47 is my stop loss. And my TP now, I will use this swing, failure swing completed to the downside, to go to see the level. The first one is this one. The first one is at 97.82, is the FIBO 161.8% extension level. And the second one is here, 98.48. I'm using extension levels of Fibonacci to determine my TPs. So guys, let's see, 98, we missed just a moment to do it again. It was deleted accidentally. So it's 98.82, 98.82. All right. There we go, 98.82. Now, my TP for that, so I have, okay, I'm giving a pass to a leaf, and then you will come back.
Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to our live trading session. Yes guys, basically I didn't want to interrupt Kyriakos, but as you know, we just opened a gold trade. We went long on gold and we hit take profit. We hit take profit and we closed $2,500, our first trade on the new year. Started great, $2,500 within 11 minutes, and we are getting ready now to open another one. You see it's pulling back, guys, it's pulling back. Get ready, get ready. We will open another one trade on gold, a bit more, and we will go for it. A bit more and we will open again a buy position on gold. Let me see a bit more hot. There we go. We just opened another gold trade. We just opened another gold trade. And if the market price reaches the level of 1,287, I will go again. I will increase my exposure. So let's see. Right now we went again long on gold, guys. We are long on gold, and I will put my take profit on gold at 1,288.80. It's approximately $2,800 profit, which I'm aiming from this trade. Our second trade this morning on gold this year on gold, and soon we might enter again a long position and increase our exposure on gold. However, guys, thanks a lot for being with us here today, guys. I wish you all a happy new year, and I'm looking maybe to enter again a gold trade now. Let me see. Okay, wait. So, however, let's check shortly also Italy 40 and DAX, because also over there I was expecting, no, here's nothing to get. And here also, no, I will focus right now for this morning on gold. And as I said, if the price drops below 1,287, I will enter again a trade, just for you to know. So guys, let's put a pending order, and then we will pass to Kyriakos because we interrupted him, as you know. And so my pending order is a buy limit at the price of 1,287. at 86.95. This is my take profit, my pending order. So, Kyriakos, we are back to you. We have a pending order. We opened another gold position and we closed 2,500 euros on gold position. Started well this year. Let's see what's expecting us throughout the day. So, hello guys, and let's go to Kyriakos.
Thank you very much, Elif. Nice profits there. We started very well and well done for that. So guys, for your information, I have just initiated another position. I have just shorted pound dollar. The pair is looking very bearish, bearish parabolics, bearish moving averages. The only thing that is holding the pound dollar for the moment is this MA 200 periods on the 15-minute chart, but we see this bearish candle, which is fully engulfing the previous bullish candle. So I have initiated short positions. RSI found resistance on the 40 level, so it's indicating weakness even to rise above the 40 level. So using the hedging system, I have initiated short positions on pound dollar. Let's move on to pound yen, which is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bearish, not bullish, bearish. So I would like to see the 5-minute chart to give me an indication to go short. Let me have a look on that. So on the 1-hour chart, we have a very strong bearish momentum. RSI is oversold. Let me see if I can get some pips there from contrarian trading positions. All right, I will enter a long position, guys, on pound yen, contrarian trading. So I will initiate the long position on pound yen using the hedging system. So I'm entering long positions. Of course, I would prefer to wait a bit. Let me see that better. I will wait to see a bullish parabolic there and then initiate any long positions. Let's go to pound Aussie. Pound Aussie on the 1-hour chart looks very promising. Okay, guys, on the 1-hour chart, let me see if I have bearish parabolics on the 15-minute chart. They are looking good, guys, so I will short pound Aussie. I will just go short pound Aussie. So using the hedging system, guys, get ready. So 10 lots, short pound Aussie. There we go. So that's our position. We have just shorted pound Aussie using the hedging system, guys. I have just entered a short position on pound Aussie at 1.8961, stop loss 1.81531, TP 1.8611. That's the last position I have entered. So for the moment, we have, using the hedging system, we have shorted euro dollar, we have shorted pound Aussie, we have shorted pound dollar, and using the intraday system, we have shorted dollar CHF. I'm just waiting for a small confirmation to enter. Most probably, let's short pound yen, guys. It's very bearish. I like it. So I will also short pound yen. So let me short pound yen as well. Don't know, something is keeping me back from pound yen. Let's leave it for the moment, guys. Let's leave it for the moment. So we already have 4 positions. Let me also analyze for you euro yen. Euro yen is looking very bearish. So let's analyze also euro yen. We have a question, bear and bullish, do they just translate from trading language into up and down? Bear is down, up is bull. All right, David? Bullish is up, bearish is down, right? So if I say bullish, it means that I'm expecting the market to go up. If I say bearish, I'm expecting the market to go down. So again, euro yen, we have the same situation as dollar yen. I cannot analyze it and I'm not touching it for the moment. Pound yen, guys, okay, let's short pound yen. Let's short pound yen. I think we are a bit late, but I will short pound yen. So I will short pound yen using the hedging system again. So I'm just shorting pound yen. There we go, guys. We have just shorted pound yen. There we are, pound yen. We just shorted pound yen. So I will post that trade as well. Short pound yen at 138.248. Stop loss 138.818 and TP 137.898. So that's the most recent trade I have played. So let's have an analysis, an overview of the positions and how we are doing, guys, for the moment. For the moment, we have entered the short position using the intraday system on dollar CHF. What is dollar CHF doing? Is going a bit to the upside. Don't expect the markets to move exactly as you want them. I mean, the market will play around with us and then eventually will hit our TP. We have shorted euro dollar. It's finding support on the MA of 200 periods. We will see about that. We have also shorted pound Aussie, sudden decline. Now a recovery occurs. We have shorted pound yen. Again, a recovery occurs. We have shorted pound dollar. A recovery occurs. So it seems that the majority of the positions are currently losing us some money, but no worries. If it goes against us, then we will reverse and we will see how the trade will develop. Now, let's move on to another interesting pair, which is under the name of Aussie dollar, guys. Now, Aussie dollar is very interesting. It's one of the trades that I like to trade. We had the correction, now is refusing to make new lows. So let's quickly analyze Aussie dollar. I will be concentrating on this area here. I will start putting support levels first. So that's my support level of Aussie dollar at 70.02. So that's the intraday support level for Aussie dollar. Moreover, we have good resistance levels, guys, for Aussie dollar. We have them here actually. That's a good resistance level, 70.39. I will also change the color. 70.39. Okay, let me see if I have any other good resistance levels. Yes, I have one more here. 70.67. So that's the other resistance level I have. Moreover, I need to check about Fibonacci's. I will take the last move and check for any matching. Okay, guys, we have a match. And as I said, the resistance and support levels should be discounted. Resistance to the upside. So since I have the 61.8, I will put this line here and increase its weight so that I know that I have a clustering there at 70.43. 70.43. All right. Nothing else. So let me see what I can do now for that. Okay, guys, we can enter a long position on the Aussie dollar. Before that, let me inform you that we have just reversed using the hedging system. We have reversed to long positions on pound yen at 138.468. As you can see here, you see that now the reversal position size is bigger than the initial position size. Stop loss 137.898 and TP 138.818. So I think I will initiate the long position on Aussie dollar using the intraday system. I just need confirmation from the 15-minute chart. Let me see. RSI looks promising. Bearish parabolics though. Let me see this one. No, guys. It's not looking good for the moment, so I will wait and see what I can do. Now, for those of you who would like to follow the hedging system, guys, have in mind that in case you see two positions on the same pair, you must always follow the bigger position size, okay? So I have a sell on pound yen and I have a buy. But the buy, as you can see, the position size is bigger than the sell. If you see that number more than minus 1,000, minus 1,100, minus 1,500, minus 3,000, it means that if you follow that trade now and you place the stop loss and the TPs exactly as I do, you will be in a much advantage position that I am, okay? So always follow positions of the hedging system using the biggest position size, direction of the biggest position size, and also if you see a number, losses more, unrealized losses more than $1,000, okay? For example, is it beneficial to follow me now on the short position of euro dollar? Is it beneficial, guys? Yes or no? Just type your answer so that I know that you have understood the concept of that. No, of course not. Well done, Nuno, because I'm already in profits. Is it beneficial to follow me on my short position on pound Aussie? The answer is yes, because I'm losing more than 1,000. Is it beneficial to follow me now long pound yen? The answer is yes, because I'm losing more than 2,000. Is it beneficial to follow me now on pound dollar? The answer is yes, because I'm losing more than 1,000. Is it beneficial to follow me now on short positions on dollar CHF? Again, the answer is yes. So we have an opportunity for you there to follow me on any trades you wish. Now, I'm just waiting for confirmation to enter long positions on Aussie dollar. I haven't received that yet, guys. Okay, it's the first trading day of the year. Markets are not so attractive. However, we have placed our positions and we will see. We will see what happens at the end. Dollar yen is just a straight line to the downside. I cannot touch it today. Euro yen looks promising, but we don't know the entry level. We missed the entry level. The entry level was around here. You see, David, when I say corrections, because you have asked me why I'm not trading dollar yen, I don't want to trade all these straight lines. What I like to trade is, if I see a downtrend, let the market correct, and around here, I want to short it. So I'm not trading straight lines. So if I see something similar happening again on the 15-minute chart of euro yen, I will trade it. Otherwise, I cannot. The same goes for dollar yen. I mean, dollar yen 15-minute chart is going down. I don't have a good entry level to short it. I know that it will go down, but I don't have a good entry level. So that's why I'm not shorting it for the moment. Now, dollar CHF is going against us, guys. However, I would like to notice two things about that. First of all, if you short something, your stop loss should be above a resistance level. Okay, so there it is my resistance level and my stop loss is above that resistance level. And also have in mind that using the intraday system, guys, you are reward to risk ratios. I mean, for dollar CHF, if I hit stop loss, I'm losing $5,280. And if I hit TP, I'm aiming for $9,216. So always keep your reward to risk ratios efficient. What do I mean efficient? Do not risk to lose more than your targeted profits, okay? So in this case, all right, guys, just another reversal occurred. So we have reversed. Let me update you about that. Pound yen, we have shorted, reversed to short at 138.248, very volatile pairs. Stop loss 138.818 and TP 137.898. So always keep your reward to risk ratios efficient. Okay, so that this means that you should never risk more than what you are aiming to get, guys. So we have reversed to short on pound yen, and now you can see here that they have three positions, right? Now, what's the philosophy of the hedging system? The biggest and last position size if the market moves in the direction of the biggest position size, these positions profits will fully recover any losses from the other positions, and eventually the whole trade will result in profit. If one of these trades, of these positions, hits stop loss, then automatically I'm closing manually all the profits, right? So that's the philosophy of the hedging system. You need to be careful, however, about your margin requirements. So very brief, what I have done for the moment, and I will give a pass to Elif. I have shorted euro dollar using the hedging system. I have shorted pound Aussie. I have reversed to short on pound yen, short pound dollar, and short dollar CHF. I'm looking for opportunities to trade dollar yen and euro yen, most probably for short positions. And I'm also waiting for confirmation. There it goes, guys. I'm shorting Aussie dollar. Okay, we have just shorted Aussie dollar. We just got the confirmation, guys, using the intraday system. I like that. So short Aussie dollar, we shorted it at 70,118. Let me see where I will put my TP. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Anyway, my stop loss is 70. Let me see, 70.46. And my TP, I need to utilize now the failure swing. Just a moment. So there it is, my TP, guys. There. Let me put it this color. So it's 69.63. 69.63, guys. So plus the spread, 69.63 plus 4 pips. So 69.67 is my TP. Let me put it and see if it is beneficial for money management purposes. My stop loss is at 70.46 and my TP is at 69.67. Let's see, guys. So basically for this trade, I'm risking, let me see. I'm risking for this trade $5,130 and I'm aiming for $6,720. So it's absolutely efficient. So I'm keeping it as it is. So the last trade I have placed is a short position on Aussie dollar using the intraday system. Remember that the intraday system, we will either hit TP or stop loss. We are not reversing positions, a straightforward trade. And that's it for the moment. So I'm short Aussie dollar. Good morning, Alan. Yes. Happy New Year. 2019 will be profitable. So we have shorted Aussie dollar, guys. We have shorted Aussie dollar intraday system. We have shorted euro dollar. We have shorted pound Aussie. We have reversed to short on pound yen. We have shorted pound dollar. And we have shorted dollar CHF. So as you can observe, everything is a bit short today, guys. So let's see how the day will develop eventually. So that's all I have for the moment. I will give a pass to Elif. These are the positions. If I have any updates, I will let you know. Elif, we are back to you.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you for the analysis. And now it's time for the indices. For the indices, which are a bit moving, a bit more than the Forex pairs. Good morning, everybody. Once again, hello, Nuno. Have a new year. Have a good new year. Happy New Year. I hope you had all a nice start and could get rest yesterday, and now you are ready for the start. So we had our first trade in the morning with gold. We made $2,500 this morning. And now we have another one gold position which we opened. It's here. We are trading on gold, guys. We had a huge move up since the market opened again. We had a huge move up. We are trading right now gold on $1,288. It's a huge number. As you remember, beginning of December we were below $1,200, and now we are $88 above. So it's a huge movement, and we are enjoying it. For today, for the morning session, what we are doing is we are trading this trading range over here, which I made purple. This is the trading range we are trading this morning. As you can see, we had a huge move up. We had a pullback, and then we entered again at this level, because you can see it's hitting all the time against this level and then moving up again. So here we got again our we made our profit of $2,500. Then the market moved, we entered again, and now we are still paying off the spread. But we have also a buy limit, which is on the lower part of this movement this morning. It's over here, and let's see if the market reaches here. We will increase our exposure by 30 lots, and we will see how it will move. Then we have also two Italy 40 positions open. We have two Italy 40 positions open here. We made a small mistake. We made a small mistake on Italy 40, but it's okay. It happens. What we did is Italy 40 dropped. Let's go on the 1 day chart, and I will explain you. Italy 40, let me remove this yellow. So Italy 40 opened with a gap, dropped very strongly during the first trading hour. It dropped very strongly. Then it started to recover, as you can see. And when it came to 18,100, it reversed. And it, as you can see, my entry level of my buy position was above 18,100, and I was expecting, since it broke through the zero numbers, that it will go higher and aim the entry level, the opening price, but it didn't. It reversed exactly at the moment I entered the market. You see it reversed, and now it dropped. And when you see, most probably it will reverse once again at 18,000. Totally zero numbers. That's why I hedged a bit. I opened again a sell position just to cover a bit this small move down. So let me see if it breaks below 18,000. I will accept the loss of this Italy 40 position and close that. But if not, we will make some money over there. Let's see, guys. Let's see. We will observe it and take action accordingly. Let's go to our next very beloved asset, DAX. Let's see DAX. Also, DAX opened with a drop. We are expecting today a lot of data. We are expecting a lot of data and releases. Let me see, when is the next release for today? Accordingly, we have to put our trades. So our next release, we are checking on forexlife.com. economic calendar on forexlife.com. So I have to have also always an eye on gold, because as you know, we have okay. Economic calendar. It works a bit badly this morning, especially Italy 40 made me a bit unhappy this morning, but okay. So the next announcement I'm expecting was the PMI. It just happened. Like, okay, good. The PMI. Okay, now in this trading session at the beginning, we will not have anything, any announcement, so it will be okay. However, we have to be aware. So on DAX, it moved up. We see a very strong movement this morning, which dropped the stocks open today very red, and is made an effect on DAX and Italy 40. Then during the PMI announcement, we recovered. The PMI announcement was quite positive for the European Union. So we recovered, and now let me see. Now DAX is still on the recovery path. Also here, it's close to the level here, 15 minutes. Guys, I will go long. I'm going long on DAX. Here we go. I just opened a long position on DAX, guys. Just opened a long position on DAX, and my take profit on DAX will be, let's see here. Yep, it will be very close to the middle Bollinger Band, which is also the high or the previous high. So let's go for it. Then it will have over clustering over there. We will have a psychological level of 10,500. Let's put it on 10,500, our take profit, and we will see. It's going to be extra $700 profit. It's not bad, it's good. So Italy 40, I don't like. Italy 40, I don't like. We messed up with Italy 40. We really messed up with Italy 40. Let me see. We have to take actions over there. By the way, on gold, you see, we are getting close to our buy limit order. We are getting very close to our buy limit order, and then we will open here. When our buy limit order gets triggered, we will open another one trade and increase our exposure. Overall on gold, we still see this strong uptrend. There is nothing which can hold this uptrend. It's going up, and it's good. We are long, and we are planning to increase our buy limit over here with our exposure with a buy limit. Let's see, and let's hope how they will go. So let's write down all our trades for all of you who are new. We have a gold trade. We are long on gold. We entered at 1,288.26, and our take profit on this position is 1,288.80, and we have a buy a limit on this position. Our DAX position is making right now $300 is good. Then we have two positions open on Italy 41 buy, one short. I don't like them. We are currently a bit catched on the Italy 40. Let's see how it will develop and we will take actions. Italy 40. We entered our short position at 18,104.9, and my take profit here, I have also a very narrow take profit. However, my take profit here is at 18,129.2. Currently we are making a loss over here, but as I said, I'm not very satisfied with my decision on Italy 40. I was expecting, since it broke through the 18,100 level, that it will go up, and it just accept this as a reversal, and now we are there. Let's see. However, we'll be okay. At some point we will take actions on gold. Get ready. We are very close to get our next position on gold. To open our next position on gold is very, very close, guys. At 1,287, we have our buy limit. So 1,000 on gold, buy limit is on 1,287. Sharp on 87 is our buy limit, and we will increase our exposure by 30 lots. By extra 30 lots, we are going to increase our exposure. It's still a bit to go. DAX started to make money. And on Italy 40, you see it reversed over here. Let me see. Maybe we should close our sell position. Oh. I get very, very strange signals on Italy 40. Let's wait a bit more on Italy 40, and I will take action over there. No. So on DAX, we are making right now $600, very close to our take profit. Our take profit is at $700 on DAX. At $700. Ching, ching, guys, we just hit take profit on DAX, $738, and now DAX is rallying a bit because it reached the high, the previous high. We increased our profits for today to $3,238, and still on gold, we didn't open our buy limit, not yet our buy limit. So now we are left with 2 Italy 40 positions and 1 gold position. On Italy 40, as I said, I'm getting various signals over here, and I'm expecting when the buy position comes when the buy position grows, I will close the position with much less take profit than I'm expecting, because I believe that this is the range in which it will be traded. Let's see, and we will decide. So on gold, there we go. There we go. Any moment soon we will open our new trade on gold. However, let's see also on DAX if we can go for a new position on DAX. Just the spread remained to open to get triggered our buy limit order, guys. Very soon we will open our buy limit order. Now on DAX. I will go again long on DAX. I just opened a small position on DAX and my take profit will be, it went also above 10,500, so my take profit will be at 10,530. This is going to be my take profit. It's the middle Bollinger Band, the clustering of the middle Bollinger Band, and the closing of Friday. Let's see, I'm expecting here $1,200, $1,200, which I'm expecting from here. Gold still didn't reach our level. You see, it came very, very close to my entry level, but to my buy limit. This is my buy limit and it didn't get triggered. Let's wait a bit more and it might get triggered very, very soon. Guys, I will delete it and I will enter it by myself. It's just the spread which remained. Let me see, I will want to confirmation. Oh, let's leave it a bit more. It should open by his own. I want that it opens by his own. Yep, the position should get triggered by his own. We made the analysis, we put our buy limit, so it should get triggered by his own and not waiting for us, right guys? Yep. So currently it's we need another 20 pips and it's okay. 20 pips and then we will hit our buy limit on gold. Italy 40. Italy 40, I don't know. With Italy 40, what shall I do with Italy 40? Okay, now it's again on a downtrend. Let's see. Let's see how Italy 40 will react. And on Italy 40, we put a take profit. On Italy 40, we took a take profit. And for my sell position at $900. And it's not big. I think it's going to be okay. If my sell position gets triggered, guys, if my sell take profit gets triggered, then most probably a new trend will open. There we go. We just opened another gold position. Our buy limit on gold got triggered. So our buy limit on gold is 1,200. We entered at 1,286.95 to a better price. Nice. And let's put a take profit for this gold position. We are long on gold. Let's put a take, gold position, take profit. Let me see, here we go. I will put it at 1,288. It's around $3,000 profit, which I'm aiming from this gold trade. $3,000 profit. Let's see on gold. There we are. There we are. It looks like a very strong reversal over here, and we will get there. Our DAX position started to be in money. On Italy 40, I have to still check it out. I have to still check it out and see. When we check on the hourly chart, yep, we had a nice pullback on gold and it will catch up. Great, guys. These are the trades so far. On Italy 40, I'm worried a bit. I'm worried about the setup on Italy 40. I might take here action, and as I said, I might accept the loss over there and say, that's it. I close it and everything is fine. Except of this, DAX is quite good. On gold, we need a bit more time, but it will get there, and it's nice. It's nice. So, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Thank you very much, Elif. So basically, guys, the trades are developing. The only trade that is not doing very well is dollar CHF, guys. We shorted it at this level here. It has gone a bit up. Now it's testing the MA of 200 periods and the resistance level. We are very close to hit our first stop loss for 2019. And however, a trade is not closed unless it hits stop loss or TP, guys. As I said, I'm always keeping the money management and risk reward ratios efficient. I have placed my stop loss above the resistance level and I'm now waiting for the trade to develop. No need to panic. Losses are also part of the game. So let's go around and see what the pairs are doing. I'm short Aussie dollar, as you can see. The pair is trying to recover a bit. We are still far away from any TPs or stop losses. It hasn't moved substantially for the past 1 hour. It's stuck there. Absolutely normal. It's the first trading day of the year. We are short euro dollar. The pair now is testing the MA of 200 periods. We are short pound Aussie. The pair seems to be losing the MA 50. Bearish parabolics. Stochastic is indicating a downside breakout. We need to see also the RSI breaking below 40 in order, because 40 is a support level for the RSI. If we see a break below that, we will make some money there. Also, we have reversed to short on pound yen. The pair is not doing very well. Actually, we might reverse to long again, depending on the volatility of the pair. We are short pound dollar. Again, the pairs seem to be struggling around their MAs of 200 periods. And as I said, the worst performing trade for me for the moment is dollar CHF is approaching my stop loss. Less than 10 pips of the stop loss. However, the stop loss is always above a resistance level. Fodi, if you have any issues for your account, please contact your personal account manager at Trademy.com, as we are not aware for any issues regarding this type of regarding your trading accounts, guys. You need to contact your personal account manager Fodi at Trademy.com, and I'm sure he will be more than glad to assist you on that technical issue you are facing with. So that's all for the moment. We will keep you updated regarding our positions. For the moment, I'm short Aussie dollar using the intraday system. I'm short euro dollar hedging system. I'm short pound Aussie hedging system. I have reversed to short on pound yen hedging system. I'm short pound dollar hedging system, and I'm short dollar CHF intraday system, guys. So that's all I have for the moment. Still, we haven't closed any positions yet, but because most of you are new, be patient and you will see what happens at the end of the day. You are very welcome. We will be available to communicate with us, guys, through the chat room. Okay, so please feel free to ask us any questions you would like in the chat room. We are here the whole day for you, and we will be back again live if we have any important updates, or else we will be back live with you in approximately 4 hours from now for our afternoon session. In the meantime, some educational webinars will follow. You are kindly reminded that we will not be providing any notes or any slides for the webinars. You are requested to take your own notes, and I'm sure you will enjoy them. So take care, guys. We are here for you. Type your questions in the chat room, and in case we have any important updates, we will go live and inform you about them. Have a nice day, and we will see you in a short while. Thank you. Yorgos, can you expand the terminal? Need to place the stop loss TP. Yorgo, can you specify on which pair you are interested? And I will be more than glad to provide it in the chat room. For which pair are you interested? By expanding the terminal, the stop loss and the TP doesn't get any bigger. So just type the trade that you have followed us, and I will be providing with the stop loss and the TPs. For which pair are you interested? Just type the pair, and I will be more than glad to provide you with the stop loss and the TP. Thank you. Hello again. As you can see, I have just initiated another position using the intraday system, guys. I have entered a long position on dollar CAD at 1.36306, stop loss 136.17. So for this trade, I'm risking $1,496, and I'm aiming for $2,465. A nice consolidation here. Most probably the pair will break to the upside. We had some good confirmations there, including the stochastic analysis on the 5-minute chart. So this triggered a long position for me. Let's see how it will go. So we have entered long positions on dollar CAD at 1.36306, stop loss 1.3617, take profit 136.53, which is the second identified resistance level for intraday trading purpose. Let's see how it will go. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are back. We are getting ready to hit TP on pound dollar, guys. The pair is declining nicely, as you can see on the 5-minute chart. And also we are getting ready to hit, unfortunately, a stop loss on dollar CHF, guys. So if we hit TP on pound dollar, this will be $3,500 of profit. And if we hit stop loss on dollar CHF, we will lose, unfortunately, $5,273. We need to be patient. I'm monitoring the charts. Pound dollar is looking very promising, and I will let you know if I hit TPs or stop loss. Dollar CHF, we have short positions. We are currently down $4,400. Pound dollar, we have short positions. Currently we are making $2,500. However, no need to panic at all. The day is still very early, guys. So we are monitoring the charts, and I will let you know. Currently we haven't closed a single position yet, but it seems that the action is growing, and eventually we will hit some 90Ps, and of course losses are part of the game. As soon as they are manageable and acceptable, no need to worry at all about them. So you are monitoring now the 5-minute chart of pound dollar, the cable, and I will keep you updated if I hit any stop losses on dollar CHF, for example, or a TP on any of the pairs. Also, I will keep you updated if I reverse any positions. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. We are just a few pips away from our stop loss, unfortunately, on our short position on dollar CHF. So as you can see, the pair is currently trading at 98.44, and our stop loss is at 47. Definitely not looking good. We are risking on this trade to lose $5,272. That's the first trade of the year, guys. So the first trade of the year will start with a loss. All right. It's not a good start, but we will get there shortly. So we are monitoring now the dollar CHF. Now it's the resistance level. It's a crucial moment for us and for dollar CHF. It's a resistance level. We need to wait and see if it will hold or if it will break above it, guys. If it breaks above it, then we will hit our stop loss, and that's it, end of the game for dollar CHF today. So we need to be patient. You don't need to panic. As I said many times, losses are part of the job. So 2 pips away from the stop loss. Pound dollar is doing well. It's our best performing trade actually for the moment. And as you can see, the majority of the trades are making money. The only exception is dollar CHF. But a trade is not lost until it hits stop loss, guys. So let's see if we will manage and get out of that. We will see. You are monitoring my screen, and I will keep you updated. Thank you. Okay, guys, we just hit stop loss on dollar CHF. So that's our first trade for 2019. We have lost $5,270. The first trade of 2019 hit stop loss, guys, just for your information. I will also update you in the chat room regarding the intraday system. USD CHF just hit stop loss, guys. So let's see what we can get from the rest of the trades, however. See you in a short while. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. It seems that we will have also our first profitable trade for 2019. Pound dollar is declining nicely, guys, and we are just 5 pips away from our take profit target, as you can see on the 5-minute chart. Now, because we have a short position, don't forget that the price we need to reach our profit level is the ask price, guys. On the charts, we are always monitoring the bid price. However, any short positions are always closed on the ask price, so we want the ask price to go down to 651. So our target profit from this trade is $3,500. So we are monitoring pound dollar, guys. We are we want this number to go to 651. We are just 4 pips away from our take profit target and the $3,500, of course. So far, we are down for the day because of dollar CHF $5,270. But it seems that the day started to turn around, and we are very close to hit our TP on pound dollar, just 5 pips away. You are monitoring the 5-minute chart of pound dollar, nice decline. In the meantime, our short positions on euro dollar are making money. Our short positions on pound Aussie are making money. So we are getting ready also to hit TP on pound Aussie, guys. Pound dollar is just 2 pips now away from the TP. Green lights, and we like green lights, guys. So we are getting ready to hit TPs on pound dollar and pound Aussie for the moment, with the first candidate to hit TP earlier to be pound dollar, the cable. We are just 3 pips away from the $3,500. And guys, guess what? If we hit TPs on pound Aussie and pound dollar, we will be profitable, positive for the day. So no worries at all about that. Aussie dollar started to make us money. Dollar CAD is making us money. Pound dollar is very close to hit our TP. Dollar CAD is break even basically for the moment. So let's see how pound dollar will behave. Now, as you can see, pound dollar is finding a minor support on the lower Bollinger Band, but the momentum is quite strong to the downside, so I believe we will shortly hit our TP. So I will be back shortly to update you and inform you, of course, for any changes in the position sizes. We are getting ready to hit TP on pound dollar. We are just 4 pips away, 4 pips plus something away from our take profit target of pound dollar. Let's see if now we manage and close that with a profit. Our targeted monetary profit from the short position of pound dollar is $3,500. Let's put the 1 minute chart, guys. You see here the price has already reached our take profit level, but as I said, since we are short, we want the ask price and not the chart price. The chart price is the bid price. We want the ask price to reach at 651. So we want, this is the ask column. We want this price. If you are short, we are closing with the ask price. And if you are long, you are closing with the buy price. So let's see if we will manage and close that with a TP. Okay guys, TP is getting closer for pound dollar. We are just 1.9 pips, 1.7 pips now away from our TP. $3,500 guys are getting ready to end in my pockets. As you can see, there we go guys. We have just closed our take profit on pound dollar, a nice one. We have decreased our losses to $1,770. Let's see now if we will manage and hit our TP on pound Aussie as well. Pound Aussie is developing very nice. There we go. We have already reached the take profit level, but we need to cover the spread on pound Aussie, guys. So we need the ask price again to fall a bit more than 5 pips. And if we see that, then we will also hit our take profit on pound Aussie. And if we do that, guess what, guys? We will turn positive for the day. So pound Aussie is falling nicely, a bit of volatility now. We are aiming for let me see the profit for that trade, $2,473. So if we hit TP on pound Aussie, we will turn positive. So let's see, after hitting stop loss on dollar CHF, we have hit a take profit on pound dollar, and pound Aussie is making money, and it will soon hit TP. So stand by, guys. The day just started to get very interesting. Thank you. Okay guys, we are just 5 pips away from the TP level of pound Aussie short position trade. We are getting there shortly, guys. We are aiming for $2,454 out of that. If we hit that TP, then we turn our day positive, guys. After a stop loss on dollar CHF, we hit a TP on pound dollar, and now we are getting ready to hit take profits on pound Aussie as well. All we need to do is to wait and see if we will manage and hit that. In the meantime, we are making some money on euro dollar. We are making some money on pound yen. Still, the direction is not clear, guys. Don't forget that it's the first day of the year. I'm not expecting the crazy volatility of other days, so markets are very quiet. We will see and check how we will do at the end of the day, however. So we are monitoring pound Aussie. Currently my best performing trade, making me $1,800. And if we hit TP, I will let you know. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm back. Let me update you for the current positions, guys. As you can see, we have closed also our pound Aussie positions with a take profit of $2,454 of profit, and also we have closed another take profit of $3,500 on euro dollar. So as you can see, in the morning we were minus $5,270, and now we have managed with 3 consecutive TPs to turn the daily balance to a positive territory of $4,184, guys. So as I said, nothing to worry about. Enjoy it. Be careful of your risk reward ratios, and you have absolutely nothing to be afraid of. Don't be afraid to place trades. Just have in mind that the key to success is mainly patience and appropriate reward to risk ratios. Now, our short position using the intraday system of Aussie dollar started to make us money, and it started to decline nicely. Now I'm expecting this support level to be downside penetrated. Pound yen is making us money. That's the good thing about the hedging system, guys. If pound yen continues to drop, you will see this bigger short position size going into profits and covering completely the losses of the previous long position. And our long positions on the card are doing very well also. So it seems that it will be a nice profitable day again today. Although we started with losses, eventually the day has turned positive again, $4,183. So stand by, guys. You are monitoring my screen, and I will let you know if we have any more updates. All right, thank you. Okay, guys, another trade just came up. So as you can see, using the intraday system, I have just shorted euro yen, guys. A very nice setup both on the 15-minute chart and on the 5-minute chart. So I just shorted euro yen. A very nice setup. Now, regarding stop loss, again, I will use the last move of euro yen. Let me put the 5-minute chart. Maybe we have a better indication. So this is the 5-minute chart of euro yen, guys. So we have shorted it and it's falling nicely. My take profit will be, just a moment to find out the take profit. So we will go 124.10. So TP 124.10. There we go, guys. We are getting ready to hit TPs on pound yen. So 124.10 is the TP of euro yen short position using the intraday system. So let me just update you. Intraday system, I have just shorted euro yen. TP 124.10, and the stop loss will be, let me use the 1-minute chart to determine my stop loss, guys. All right, guys, get ready for some nice money now. So our TP will be 124.55. Our stop loss will be 124.55. Make that 60. So that's the stop loss of euro yen, 124.60. So get ready for some TPs on pound yen, guys. There we go. Let's check also the money management criteria. We are risking $1,800, aiming for $5,000. That's simply great, guys. So we have shorted euro yen, but you see now that the green lights are on pound yen, and we are making from the last position almost $9,500. Exactly, there we go, guys. We have just closed our positions on pound yen with a profit, and we have increased our daily profits to $5,825, guys. Exactly, Nuno. A nice one. We have just closed our pound yen position, increasing daily profits to $5,825. Now we are left only with 3 positions, guys. All of them are using the intraday system, and we are making a total of $4,000 from these trades. So we are keeping them, and let's see if the day will be very profitable. So for the moment, we are up $5,825, and we are still making money from these three trades. I'm just waiting for them to develop. Let's see if we will make some nice money. Thank you very much, Mary. And I think the first day will be very profitable, guys, for us. So what I will do now to protect my profits, no, I will just leave them. Let me have a look on the reward to risk ratios of Aussie dollar. No, guys, I will close Aussie dollar with $1,290. So I have just closed them, guys, increasing the daily profits of $7,100. I will also close all the positions. Let me close everything, guys. And during the afternoon session, I will come back with new trades. So for the moment, $9,017 profits. And stand by, guys. For the moment, $9,017. We have closed all the positions. I will refresh my analysis and I will come back in approximately 1 hour. Don't miss the afternoon session, guys. We will make some nice money as well there. So for the moment, I'm square. I don't have any positions. $9,017 in my pockets. In the afternoon session, we will reevaluate our charts. We will analyze again our charts and we will place some new nice trades. So stay with us. We will update you shortly. Some educational webinars will now follow. Thank you.
Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, guys. How are you? Welcome to the afternoon trading session here at Trademy.com. Can you all hear me properly, guys? So let's check first of all who is with us. I see with us is Adrian, Barry. Barry, welcome. Happy New Year. Fred, welcome and Happy New Year. This is the first afternoon trading session of 2019. Good afternoon, George. Hello, Mike. Hello, Jenna. Laura. Lauren. I think I got it correct. Lauren, good afternoon and welcome. Hello, Mary, always with us. Thank you very much. Hello, Mike. Nuno, always with us. Thank you very much. Hello, Patrick. Happy New Year. Welcome to the afternoon trading session. Hello, Patrick Johnson. Hello, Paul. And hello, Rachel, always with us, guys. So, guys, welcome to today's afternoon trading session. Good afternoon. Happy New Year to all of you that didn't attend the morning session. For those of you who have just joined us, guys, the morning session was very profitable, as you can see. We have managed to close positions with profits on Aussie dollar using the intraday system. On Euro Yen, good afternoon, Donald. We closed a short position on Euro Yen with profit, intraday system. Straightforward position, $3,500 on Euro Dollar using the hedging system. Straightforward position, short position on Pound Aussie using the hedging system. We have managed to close our hedged positions with $1,000 plus of profit on Pound Yen. We have managed to close a straightforward position using the hedging system, another $3,500 on Pound Dollar. We have managed to close with profit using the intraday system our dollar cut position with $747. And if you remember, my first trade of 2019, I started with a loss, guys. I started with a loss, $5,270, but you see what happened afterwards, okay? So losses, and you need to understand this, losses are part of the equation of success, okay? So, exactly, a start of a good year nevertheless, you're absolutely correct. No, but even if you see how my reactions are, I mean, I hit a stop loss at the beginning. Do you think that I like stop losses? Of course not, but they are part of life. So you don't need to get panicked, just trust your system, do your analysis correctly, and don't be afraid. So, upon hitting a stop loss, Then I fully recovered, and now I'm plus $9,000. This means that I have managed to do, guys, if you are minus $5,200 and now you are plus $9,017, this means that you have made profits of $14,000. Okay, that's a very brief introduction in order for you to realize that losses are part of the game, and losses is something that you will see happening very often, at least to myself. Okay, so they are part of the game. We need to accept it. We don't need to panic. The key is about money management. Now, that's for the day, $9,017. Now we need to analyze again the charts because significant movements have been made. Okay, I will analyze again the charts. For those of you who have just joined us, let me remind you that I'm using two systems. The hedging system, whenever you see an HS like that in front of the trade, it means that I'm using the hedging system for that trade. And what is the hedging system? I'm opening a trade using an initial position size, and then if the market moves against me by an X number of pips, I'm reversing the position from long, for example. I can go short, but with a bigger position size, okay? This Excel spreadsheet is available to your account managers, and the usefulness of this Excel spreadsheet is to calculate the reversals position sizes. For example, on pound yen, as you can see, let me classify it by symbol. On pound yen, I started with a short position of 10 lots. That's the initial position size. According to your account balances, you can adjust that. Okay, maybe you want to start with 0.05 lots. Okay, if you start with 0.5 lots, then this one is my initial position size. Whenever I say reverse to long, it means that you need to open a second position long here. That's my first reversal because it's the first time we reversed. But the position size, if your initial position size is 0.05, the first reverse position should be of a size of 0.11. If I say reverse to short again, that's the second time we reverse. It means that your second reversal position size should be 0.18. Okay? Is it clear, guys, how the hedging system works? So I'm using the hedging system on 4 forex pairs: euro dollar, pound yen, and pound Aussie. The other 6 pairs, that is dollar CAD, dollar yen, dollar CHF, New Zealand USD, euro yen, and Aussie dollar, I'm trading them using the intraday system, IS. Based on this system, I'm not reversing, I'm just placing a trade. I put a stop loss and a TP, and that's it. Okay? So having said that, have in mind also a reminder that this Excel is available through your account managers at Trademy.com. Now let's start analyzing the charts from the beginning, guys. So I'm looking on the 1 hour chart. What do I see here? I see a great decline. Okay, we have shorted that. And now we need to find out good resistance levels to initiate short positions. Okay, now let's see how we find our resistance levels. I'm using red lines for resistance levels. So let me find the good resistance levels first. The first resistance level is here, guys, at 114.31. 114.31 is my resistance level. Let me find another resistance level, which is this one. It's here, 114.41. Yes, it's fine. No, it's correct. Up to the 7th position. Yes, keep it like that. It doesn't matter if you open 7th or if you continue up to the 9th, you still have the same direction of position. So it's going to be either long, short, long. Okay, you got that? Or it's going to be short, long, short. So it doesn't matter if it stops at 7 or at 9. No worries. As soon as you go to 7, you just stay there. You don't open any more positions. And you adopt the stop loss we have discussed in the one-to-one session. Okay, no. The same, you can do it and in the any odd number. If you want, you can stop to the 5th position or to the 3rd position. Okay, so you can either stop on the 3rd, you can either stop on the 5th, or you can either stop on the 7th. As simple as that. And you adopt the stop loss we have discussed in our one-to-one session. It's up to you guys depending on how much tolerance you have regarding margin requirements, right? Now, resistance levels on euro dollar, 114.41, 114.31. So it seems that I'm analyzing this analysis here. It seems that these are my only resistance levels. And what happens if you don't have support levels? Mike, your question says, can I call later about the Excel sheet? You need to talk with your personal account manager, Mike. And if you still have questions, or if you still want to optimize that even more based on your spreads, because the spreads I have are not the same as the spreads you have. So if you would like to optimize that, the best thing to do, Mike, is to come to a one-to-one session with me. We will sit down, write down the spreads, and adjust it accordingly so that we can make it work using your spreads and not mine. Alternatively, if you would like guys to have the same spreads as we do, you need to upgrade your training programs to a higher level, okay? If you upgrade your training program to a higher level, you will enjoy the spreads I do. Otherwise, you need to come to a one-to-one session definitely, because if you use it like this, you will not get the optimal results, okay? Because you have different spreads than what I do. Is it clear, Mike? Excellent. Now, how do we identify support levels if we don't have enough data on the chart? Well, we can use Fibonacci extension levels. So I will take the last, you are very welcome. And a nice question, Mike, well done. So you can take the Fibonacci extension of the last upside move, so the last upside leg, and we see now that the pair, look at that, look at the magic of Fibonacci extensions, guys. We see that the pair has found support and is standing there at 160.18, amazing. Amazing. At 113.73, guys. Do you think it's by accident that this pair stopped right there? No, it's not. Nothing is by accident, guys. And then I have another support at this level here, 112.99. 112.99. So since I am at the support level now, guys, let me show you how I will deal with that. All right. So I see there is a free space now between this point and the resistances here, but let's not rush things. Let me calculate also the Fibo 61.8 of this, which matches. All right, there we go, guys. We have a match. And remember that the resistance levels, we are always discounting them to the upside, okay? So the real resistance level for euro dollar is not at 114.31, it's at 114.45. So that's gone. So now I'm looking for indications to go for long positions on Aussie dollar, on euro dollar. The 15-minute chart has not yet indicated any of these. Let me see the 5-minute chart. Okay, guys, if I see a bullish parabolic on the 5-minute chart, I will go for a long position. Why? Because there is a there is nothing stopping the pair from going up. On the other hand, if it falls down, then there is nothing stopping the pair of falling further down. So we are somewhere in the middle, but since we are at the support level, we never go short at the support level. We prefer to initiate long positions at the support level, okay? So I will give it a try for a long position if I see a bullish parabolic like this, the dot to go below the candles and stay there, right? So we will keep an eye on euro dollar for a later reference. Let's go now to pound dollar. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. All right, again, we have a very bearish attitude here, guys. Very bearish attitude here. So, let's see. Let's find, first of all, the resistance levels. Now, resistance levels. That's a very strong resistance level. 127.23, guys. 127.23 is a good resistance level for pound dollar. There is another good resistance level here, 128.01. Now, support levels. I will use the same technique. Now, as we can see, the pair is approaching 161.8 extension level of Fibonacci of the last upside corrective move. So it's at 125.96. 125.95 is more correct. Remember that we are discounting the support levels to the downside, and the next one is at 261.8. 124.63. Very good. Let me check now the Fibo 160, the Fibo of the last downside move. If we have a match, there we go, guys. We have a match. Excellent. 127.31 is the match, and I'm increasing the weight of that. All right. So, what we can do now, first of all, again, on pound dollar, I'm waiting for a bullish indication to go long because I'm approaching, first of all, a good support level, and then it's a round number. It's 126, guys. So round numbers are very important. So as soon as I see a bullish parabolic on the 5-minute charts, again, I will go long for that. The same goes for Euro USD. So I'm monitoring Euro dollar and pound dollar for a bullish parabolic to go long. Now, let's move on to Euro Yen, the pair that we didn't trade so far. All right. I will concentrate on the 15-minute chart. It's swing and down, swing and down, swing and down, guys, on Euro Yen. Let me see the 5-minute chart. All right. Let's go back to the 1-hour chart. Then we will analyze this part of the chart, which has a duration of 3 days. But again, I don't like this type of charts because it's a straightforward move. So I will leave Euro Yen again behind. Let's go to Pound Yen, guys. Pound Yen. Let me see what I can get out of that. So resistance. The resistance level is at 139.18. Let me see what else I can get out of that. And we have also 139.57. Another resistance there. Strong one, actually. Mike, you say you cannot add Euro Yen. You just right click here. You go to symbols. you go to symbols and you go under the list of FX, FW, you find Euro Yen and you double click on that and you click close. So let me repeat the procedure very briefly. All right, okay, you got it, good. So resistance levels are there. Let me find also supports now. I will take the last upside movement. We see that already the pair has broken below the 161.8. However, this now is like a resistance level. I'm keeping that. So it's 138.61 for future reference. It will act as a resistance level, guys. And the support now we have is at this level. 137.23. That's my support level now. So you see that we have space to go there, up. Let's see how it will behave, guys. All right, let me check again. I will delete the Fibonacci so that I don't get confused. And also, I would like to see the Fibos the 61.8 where it is. All right, there it is. So this is the important level for pound yen. So I will increase the weight of that. All right. So I will delete that. Let's see if we have the setup on the 5-minute chart at least. There we go, guys. I will go long pound yen. I will initiate long positions on pound yen, guys, straight away. So pound yen, I will try a long position using the hedging system. So I will place a long position on pound yen. There we go. All right. Okay, we have just entered a long position on pound yen, guys, using the hedging system. There we go. So hedging system, we have long pound yen at 137.783, stop loss 137.213, and TP 138.133. So this is the first trade for the afternoon session. We have just entered a long position on pound yen. Let me also check euro dollar in case we have the verification. No. Let me check pound dollar. Not yet. Let me check euro yen. No, I didn't. I will not trade euro yen. Pound yen is doing great. Let me have a look on pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. It looks nice. All right, it looks nice, and I will tell you why. So first of all, we have resistance levels. Let's identify the resistance levels. So we have a resistance level at 1.80.64. There it is. Then the next resistance level is up here, 181.71. There we go. Then our support levels. The first one is here. Oh, we are approaching a support level, guys. So get ready for another long position. That's a support level. Very nice support level, actually. And also we have a support level here. Now, let me confirm that by using FIBO 61.8. Wow. You see that, guys? We have a matching of 61.8% retracement level on the FIBO. Guys, let me check if the 5-minute chart indicated a bullish parabolic. Guys, I will go long. No, I will wait a bit. I will wait a bit. If I see a bullish parabolic, I will go long. No, actually, we saw the bullish parabolics. Okay, guys, I'm buying pound Aussie. I will go long pound Aussie. I'm going long pound Aussie, 61.8. Very strong signals. Long pound Aussie, guys. There we go. I have just entered a long position on pound Aussie. Let me inform you straightforward about this trade. Hedging system, I'm long pound Aussie. We have a matching of 61.8% retracement level of the 1 hour chart plus a support line clustering. Okay, so we went long at 1.8437, stop loss 1.79867, and TP at 1.8787, guys. That's the second trade for the afternoon session. So let me have a closer look on that. We have entered a long position. All right, so I will delete the chart and let me also use this movement for 61.8. That's the resistance level that I need to have in mind. Okay, we will see how it will go. So let me also check the remaining charts, euro dollar. Okay, guys. We are getting ready for long positions on euro dollar. Pound dollar is not ready yet. It's not ready yet, but I think I will enter long positions on euro dollar, guys. I just want to see a bullish parabolic. That's all I want to see. And a close above, again above this level. Okay, guys, I will go long. I will go long. Seems it's accumulating nicely. Let me see the 15-minute chart. Wow. Okay, guys. I will go long. Long euro dollar. We have just opened another position. Long euro USD at 1.13712. Stop loss 1.13142 and TP 1.14062, guys. I'm expecting a rebound on euro dollar, guys. I'm expecting a rebound on euro dollar. I'm expecting a rebound on pound yen, which is not coming. Now, if we break below this level, then we will reverse. Okay, this means that this candle was a fake one. So we will reverse and eventually we will hit our TP on short positions on pound yen. Pound Aussie is not reacting at all, guys. It's falling. If we have a close below daily lows, we are reversing. And euro dollar, we are looking for a reaction on that. Now, let me see pound dollar. It's at a crucial support level now, guys. Let me see if I will short it. It seems that is regaining, strengthening momentum. Okay, guys. I'm shorting pound dollar. So pound dollar, short. All right, I will answer the questions. Just a moment to write the trades down, guys. So I have just shorted pound dollar. So short, hedging system again. Short pound dollar at 1.2596, stop loss 1.2653, and TP 1.2561. Now let's have a look on your questions. I have a question from Lauren. What is your TP on pound Aussie? Let me write it down, Lauren. At Lauren, on pound Aussie, I'm using the hedging system. I am long at pound Aussie at 1.8437, stop loss 1.79867, and TP 1.8787, guys. So that's for Lauren. Thank you for your question. Nuno is asking me, until what time do you think is advisable to insert new trades? I have said that in the past, up to 7 UTC GMT time, up to 7 p.m. UTC GMT time. So we are approaching the US Open. So I will give now a pass to Elif. So far we have a long position on euro dollar, long on pound Aussie, long on pound yen, and short on pound dollar. So guys, let's go to Elif straight away. The US Opening is approaching. Enjoy it. Elif, we are on to you now.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you. Hello, guys. Nice to have you here. It's time for the US opening. Guys, we closed all our position except of gold position. We made so far $6,840. I have to explain you something about Italy 40. Hello, Nuno. I have to explain you something about Italy 40. I will do that after the opening because it's a bit now the time is a bit narrow. In 30 seconds we are going to have the opening and we have to focus on the opening. We still have gold trades open and I said I'm expecting a reversal at 1,283. Now it's the US opening time. I will see during the opening time if gold will drop, or most probably I'm expecting, reading from the markets what's going on, I'm expecting a very strong weakening of the US indices, and because of the very strong weakening of the US indices, there we go, it's time. Here we go. I'm selling, guys. I'm selling USA 100. Let's wait. Here we go. I just sold USA 100 and I will sell also USA 30. I want to sell also USA 30. I'm expecting a weakening on the US markets, and because of the weakening on the US markets, I'm expecting a strengthening on gold. Let me see. Here we go. I just sold also USA 30. These are the two trades right now, USA 30 and USA 100. Okay, the market moves against me. But as I said, I'm expecting a drop today on the US indices because of, let me see. So the Asian market was giving us a very strong sell signal. Let me see. Guys, let's go also long. I know that it will drop, but we opened also each a long position to hedge and get also a bit from that move up. And we will, once it reverses, we will enter then again a short position. So let's put a take profit on the USA 100 on the Nasdaq position at 6,240 is our take profit. And no. And also on Dow Jones, let me see, I will put a very small take profit. 22,995. I put also here, take, although I'm expecting on Dow Jones a drop. Let me see. The buy position was not really needed, I think. It was not really needed. The buy position, I think, on Dow Jones was not really needed. I think I did a bit too early my decision on Dow Jones. So we have one long and one short position, but I don't like my long position on Dow Jones. Let's put the take profit as well. I will put my take profit on Dow Jones at 22,915. It's my take profit. So USA 100 started to give me some profits. But USA 30, I don't like the setup of USA buy position on 30, but okay. On USA 100, my short position will be at, my take profit for my short position will be at 6,173.25. Here we make a small profit. Okay, guys, on USA 100, long position, we started to make money. Dow Jones, I don't like the setup of Dow Jones. However, we are trustful. Let's see. Also, gold, what's happening on gold? Yes, gold started to catch up. Look at this. DAX is catching up. This is what we were looking for. And I believe that gold will reach some nice profits soon. So our USA 30 sell position started to make money, guys, and very close to hit take profit. I will take a bit further down my take profit of USA 30. I'm expecting here a huge drop on USA 30, and my buy position was useless. On the next pullback, I will close my buy position. On USA 30, on the next pullback, I will close it. It was not a correct decision of mine to go long on USA 30 at this moment. But sometimes you do mistakes also here. Let's see. On USA 100, I want to close my position with a small profit. It's coming. There we go, $400, $500, $500 on USA 100. At $900 is my take profit. Now we are making $400, We are also on the pullback of, here we go, $500. Come on, a bit more and I will get my take profit on USA 100. On USA 100, I'm expecting my take profit. Here we go, $600. At $900 was my take profit. Currently, we are making $600. Guys, I will close my sell position on USA 100. Here we go. I just closed it. We made a small loss on it, but I will go again long on USA 30. Here we go. I just opened again a long position on USA 30. And I will put the same take profit as my previous one, which will be at 6,240. 6,240 is my take profit. Over there, I will hit two take profits and also USA 30. Here we go. USA 30 started to make some. We reduced our profits now a bit. Okay, guys. We have to take a decision regarding USA 30 and USA 100. As you can see, we closed our USA 30, USA 100 sell position, and we increased our exposure on the long side. Now on USA 30, we have a sell position and a long position still. I'm closing the sell position on USA 30 and I'm buying again. Here we go. I just bought again USA 30. So I have two USA 30 positions, two USA 100 positions, and I will put a take profit on USA 30 at the same level as my previous emails, as my previous position at 22,200, 22,995. There we go, and we hit take profit, guys. We hit take profit on Dow Jones, and we hit take profit on Dow Jones, and we closed a small position. We closed $1,093. Now it's dropping back, and we will go again. Here we go. We just opened again a position on USA 30. You see, guys, sometimes you have to give up a losing position, the sell position. We closed it, and you accept just what's going on, and you close a position with a profit. So I just opened again a long position on USA 30. And now that it's pulling back, I'm getting ready to enter again a position. Let me see. But here again, we have to be carefully. There is a very strong support level expecting us. Look at the number. It's 22,992. At 2,000, ching ching Nuno. At 22,999, it's a support level. There we have to see if we go further or no, not. So let me see, what is our next level? It's 22,995 is my take profit on this position. I'm aiming $800 with this position. I'm aiming extra $800. Come on. I'm aiming now extra $800. Come on, go a bit up and we will be happy. A bit more and we will be happy. But in general, I'm expecting Dow Jones today to further drop. Now we are making $500 on USA 30 and $200 on USA 100. Guys, we hit take profit on USA 30. We hit another one take profit, $808. And we increased our profits to $5,297. USA 100 is also moving nicely. Let's see, maybe we can get another one entry level today at, guys, I will go again long. Here we go. I just went again long on USA 30. And I will put here again my take profit at 22,999. Oh no, this is not a good. 22,000. 23,000. Actually, it went above 23,000. 23,100. Come on, come on. Oh, it's closed already. However, let me see. We missed it already. Let's go. We missed it already. Go long again. Here we go. We just go long again. We just went long again. Let's put a take profit now at 23,000. I'm a bit more generous because it's going above 23,000, and when it goes above 23,000, I'm a bit more generous. So on USA 100, we are making also already some money. Let me see, guys. Let me see. So, guys, what I wanted to tell you before is sometimes you have to accept losses. Here on USA 30 and on USA 100, we opened the market with a sell position. And when we see that the market moves against us and it still goes against us, then we have to accept these losses. And we just close it before the loss gets bigger. And we trade in the other direction with more profitable trades. You see, we closed several trades with profits, and that's nice. And this is what we want. And also now we still make profit on our positions. Let me see on USA 100, $1,900. So I want $1,900 at least from USA 100. There we go. On USA 30, we are get ready to make the next take profit. Also on USA 100, there we go. USA 30 and USA 100 are getting ready for taking our profits. There we go. USA 100, we just closed our positions on USA 100. And we made on USA 100 $1,359. And we closed also our USA 30 positions. Guys, we closed our USA 30 positions with 1,300. Wait a minute. Here we go. So we closed USA 100 positions with $927 and $196. We closed our USA 30 position with $1,358. And we go. Thank you, Nuno. We go for more. So I'm buying again. Here we go. Here we go. I'm buying also here. Because we have a pullback, we go. We have a pullback, we go. So let me see. Let me see if we have more to offer. We opened two more trades. We opened two more trades. We are long on USA 30 and long on USA 100. Let's go for some take profits. Let's see where we will put our take profits. Now we have to be careful. It's again in the high. We see it's the high of before. Yeah, we break through the high. That's good. Going more. $600, $700. That's what we want. $700, $1,000 on USA 30, and we just closed it with 1,000. Before we even put our take profit, we closed USA 30 position within 1 minute. We made $1,202 on USA 30 within 1 minute. This is what we want. So let's go for the next one. Let's see. We go on the 5 minutes chart. It's a pullback. It's a pullback, so we buy. There we go. We just bought again USA 30. We just bought again USA 30. And USA 100 is giving us also some profits, but it's still too less. I want a bit more on USA 30, on USA 100. Let me see where we put our take profit on USA 100. I will put my take profit at 6,255. 6,255 is going to be my take profit. Let me see here. Yep, it's a good number. It's a good number. Yep, let it there and it's okay. So let's go back to USA 30. On USA 30, I will increase my exposure now in few minutes. I want to increase my exposure a bit more and I will increase it. Maybe we are too late. Maybe we are too late to increase. Yeah, we are too late to increase it. The market moved us away. It moved away, guys. Nice one. USA 100 started to give us nice profits. USA 30 still needs to pay off the spread. Our profits so far are at 8,925. Guys, look at this. We are making money. We are making money, $600. Let's put a take profit here as well. Let's put a take profit on USA 30. Let's put a take profit. Okay, my take profit will be at 23,995. At 23,095 will be my take profit, and here I'm expecting maybe a bit. Let's see. Let's see. Looks nice. Let's see. Looks nice, and we will get there soon. We are making right now $900 on USA 30. On USA 30, we are making $1,000. On USA 100, we still need a bit more time. Still need a bit more money. There we go. There we go. We are close to get there. Let's close it with 1,007. It dropped. It dropped, guys. We will get some money out of it today. We will get some money out of it. I want now in the afternoon session another $1,100 and I will be happy. With another $1,100, I will be happy. Let's put it here and okay, guys, get ready. I'm opening again a position on USA 30. I'm opening again a position on USA 30. I'm again long on USA 30. Just opened again a long position on USA 30. I want some extra money. I want $10,000 now during the US session. $23.95. Now it's dropping. Now it's dropping. However, I increased my exposure and we will get more. We will get more, guys. So on USA, 100. Now that the market moved a bit back, maybe we can increase our exposure as well. Let's go for another one position on USA 100. Let's go a bit more down, and I will increase my exposure. I want a lower price than this level over here, and then I will go again short, again long. However, guys, what I wanted to tell you before about Italy 40, let's leave these trades to develop, and I will tell you about Italy 40. As you know, during the morning session, we had 2 positions on Italy 40. We were hedged on Italy 40 because we opened first a sell position, and then we were not really satisfied about the movement. It made a huge move up, and I wanted to hedge over there to cover some losses because I was still convinced about the reversal, and I entered in a very bad situation, very bad price level, my buy position. But because I put my take profits quite narrow, I hit both. Like first, my sell position got triggered because the market reversed and gave me some profits, and I made $931. Then later on, like 2 hours later, the market reversed and moved further up, and I got again my position long, and I hit $1,380 on my long position as well. So sometimes it's good to analyze the markets and set your price levels and your price actions and trade accordingly. Don't just get stressed and close position just because you think now it's needed. But on the USA 100 and on the USA 30 position, now in the afternoon trading that I closed them with a loss, that had a very strong reason. I was expecting from the fundamentals that the market will open with a negative gap and will drop. It will be a bearish market. This is what I was expecting from the US opening. That's why I went short. But as you can see, the market moved up and still goes up. The technicals were giving me other signals. They were giving me the signals of an uptrade. That's why I said, okay, these 2 sell positions, I have to accept it, just close them and go for the next one. And indeed, this is what happened. The market just went up, and it's going up and not stopping. That's why it was a good decision, and we close them and accept our losses. So then we have also gold positions right now running. Guys, I think we just hit. Yep, we just hit another take profit on USA 100, $777. We increased our profits to $9,702. We still have 2 positions open on DAX, guys. Not on DAX, on gold. Gold is dropping. Gold is dropping. Here we go. But as I said, I'm expecting at 1,283 a reversal. And you can see that, let's go on the hourly chart, that it's all the time reversing on that level. It's all the time like You can see that like a wall, the Mexican wall. It's all the time staying on that level and reversing. So give it a bit more time. George, give it a bit more time. And if it drops strongly below 1,283, then we have to close it. But currently, I'm still waiting for the reversal. And when I see also my stochastic oscillator, my technicals, this is the signal which I get that it's going to reverse soon. This is what I'm expecting. But if you don't feel secure, put your stop losses accordingly. I'm expecting that it will reverse at 1,283. The 83, 1,282.90 at that level, it's reversing. So put your stop loss a bit lower than this level. So you will be not wiped out just by touching this level. It's very important. So, as you guys know, today afternoon we have an evening session. We are going to have an evening session this afternoon. It will be at 5 o'clock GMT time. Hello, Hobie. Hobie, nice to have you here. We have a newbie, Hobie. He's from Canada. Nice to have you here. If you have any questions, just use the chat function, Hobie, to communicate with us. We are going to have an extra session today afternoon at 5 o'clock GMT here at Trademy.com. So you can join us and we will check over there what happened with gold and how we will handle gold. How we will handle gold. Now, we are left with 2 gold trades and 2 USA 30 trades. And on USA 100, we are expecting also another 1 entry level. On USA 100, I want to enter once again a position. I'm going long now on USA 100. And my take profit on this position is going to be 6,260. This is my take profit. USA 30 is dropping strongly. USA 100 is dropping. Guys, I will open another 20 lots on USA 30. Just opened again another 20 lots on USA 30. I increased my exposure on USA 30. Now I have 3 positions open on USA 30 and 1 position on USA 100. I'm buying again USA 100. 30 lots, so I have 2 positions open on USA 30, on USA 100, and 3 positions on USA 30. Let me put the take profit at the same level. For USA 30, my take profit will be at 23,095. We are making already $300. Then for USA 100, my take profit will be at 6,260. So these are my current trades. Today, so far, we made $9,702. Guys, our daily profit expectation is $15,000. We are not far away from it, but still we have several positions open, which we have to see and decide what we will do. On gold, I'm still waiting for the reversal, and as I said, it's a very strong reversal point here. You see how many times it hit and reversed at that level, and that's why I'm expecting here soon a reversal. We have still the US opening, and we have still the evening session, and some stuff will come out here. So currently we have two positions open, two long positions open on USA 100. We have 3 long positions on USA 30 and 2 gold positions which are long. Shall we close the USA 30 position with and ground up to $1,000, 10,000? No, let it there. Let it there. So far, $9,702. Let's check if Kyriakos has an update, and then we will be back here. Kyriakos, do you have an update?
Thank you very much, Elif. Guys, we have just reversed to long positions on pound dollar. Let me update you straightforward about that. As you can see, we reversed again, hedging system. We have reversed to long on pound dollar at 1.2618, stop loss 1.2561, and TP 1.2653. This is the take profit for my last long position on pound dollar. So for the moment, guys, we are long on euro dollar. We have reversed to long on pound Aussie. We are long pound yen, and we have just reversed to long on pound dollar. Currently for the day, we are up $9,017. That's all from me for the moment. I don't have any further updates, guys. So Elif had just hit another TP. So let's go to Elif, and I will see you again tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC time. So Elif, we are back to you for the concluding remarks. Thank you very much for being with us, guys. Have a nice afternoon.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Yes, we just hit another take profit. And again, ching, ching, guys. Ching, ching. We hit take profit on USA 100, 2 positions. And we hit take profit on our 2 positions on USA 30. Guys, as I said, $15,000 are our target, and now we reached $16,157. Nice one. That's what we want. That's how we want to trade, and we closed all our positions except gold. We are still waiting for gold, and also when you check gold, it reversed and started the up pattern, which is good, which is in our favor. So far, we will go to the evening session just with our 2 gold trades. And for USA 100 and USA 30, let me see. No, for now, I will not put any further trades for USA 30 and USA 100. We reached our target so far to 16,000 at $16,157. On USA 30, we made $1,700, and we needed for this trade just 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, we made $1,717, guys. Ching, ching. This is how it should be, right? And then, yeah, nice one. I liked it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it as well, the trading session here with me and Kyriakos at Trademy.com. One eye of mine is still at USA 30. It looks so nice. Maybe, no, let's wait. Guys, I can't wait. Shall I stay or shall I go? Let me see. Okay, let's wait and we will see. Oh, oh, we will. We will see, guys. We will see the evening session. What we will do with our evening session. We increased our profit so far for today to 16,100. Okay. Rachel said she has still a sell position on USA 100. Rachel, the first sell position of USA 100 today, we just closed it just shortly after the market opened. It's this one over here. We closed it and we went totally full long. Guys, I'm going again long. I'm going again long USA 30. I'm going again long. I'm just went long again USA 30. That's how we want it. The market moves very nice also on USA 100. I just opened again a long position on USA 100 as well. And let's put a very narrow take profit to get few extra dollars in. And also gold moves nicely in our favor, how we want it. That's nice. So everything seems to be in our favor. To USA 30, our take profit will be at 23,170. No, not 70. It's too close. 80. 85. This is what I will put as a take profit, and I'm aiming extra $1,200 from this trade. And for USA 30, I'm aiming at 6,290. 98 is my take profit for USA 100. Come on, take it, take it. Yes, it took it. Great. So USA 100, USA 30, we are already making money. Rachel, are you back? I just wanted to. Rachel is not in. Okay. However, so guys, I will see you later on at 5 o'clock GMT time again here at Trademy.com. I hope you could enjoy the first trading day, the first live trading session at Trademy.com at this new year. We increased our profit so far to $16,157. Nice one, and more is coming. We still have 2 gold trades which are losing right now, but gold started to recover and we will get some profit. So let me see. We have a lot of newbies today in here, and I hope you all could follow. What you mean, George? You cannot add on gold? I don't want to close the gold position yet, George. We have as I said here on gold, my expectation is that gold reverse at, you want to buy more. I have already 2 positions open. You know, the maximum exposure I'm trading on gold is 100 lots. I have already 50 and I opened extra 30. I have another 20 lots on gold, which I could enter. No, I will not enter now. I will enter once it breaks through the Bollinger Band. I will enter, if I increase my exposure on gold, it will be when it breaks through this upper Bollinger Band. Then I will enter again gold, but currently I don't want to do it. But the pattern is clear. We are moving up. This is what we want, guys. We hit another take profit. Ching ching! On USA 30, we hit $1,200. We increased our profits to $17,400, and we needed for this trade just 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes, we made $1,243. Just have it in mind. The trade on USA 30 is really nice. Let me see if we can go here even more. Guys, get ready. I'm going for more for USA 30. Guys, for USA 30, I'm buying more. I just bought again. I bought again USA 30. I'm long on USA 30. Just bought again USA 30. And I will put my take profit here at $23,215. This is my take profit on USA 30, guys. My next take profit. Yep, I'm aiming extra $1,700 from this trade, and it looks good. It looks good. We will make some money. We will make some money. It's nice. On gold, what's going on gold? Guys, let's go for 20 more lots. I'm going again 20 more lots on gold. Okay, I'm buying 20 lots gold, guys. There we go. I just opened another 20 lots on gold. So, and here my take profit will be at the entry level of the previous one, which is at 1,286.80. Let's see, guys. Okay, Hobie. No problem, Hobie. We are back here. We are almost on the end of this session. At 5 o'clock GMT time, Hobie. 5 o'clock GMT time. I will be back here trading and checking the remaining trades. So if you want to join us at 5 o'clock GMT time, we will be again here trading. So far, we closed $17,400. $17,400. We had some losing trades. We have some profiting trades. And at 5 o'clock GMT time, we will be here and trading again and nicely with you. So let me see. Adrian, Ellen, Barry, Donald, Fred, George. I'm expecting you all. Hobby, Jenna, John. Oh, John, hello. Lauren, Mary, Mike, Pangash, Patrick, I'm expecting you. Hello, all today at 5 o'clock GMT time here at Trademy.com, and we will have another one session where we will kick the market. So join us. Expecting it's a date, George. Come with your flowers. And we will see. So Pangash, it's your first time. No worries, no worries. If you have any question, just type them on chat and we will always try to help you out. And you have, I think you got another invitation for the session at 5 o'clock. So at 5, shortly before 5, just join. Follow the instruction on this email and join the session, and I will be here trading again live with you and seeing what happened with all the other trades which we have. So guys, see you in approximately 2 hours. Less than 2 hours I will be back here. So enjoy the time and see you in less than 2 hours. Bye bye.